English is not just a language you read, it is mainly a language you hear. It lives more in your ears than in your eyes. But most learners make one big mistake. They spend too much time training their eyes, reading subtitles, grammar, and vocabulary, while their ears get very little real practice. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you are watching an English movie with subtitles on. You understand almost everything. You feel happy, confident, like your English is improving. But one day, you turn the subtitles off. Suddenly, everything changes. The same movie now feels fast. The words blend together. You can't catch them clearly. You start thinking, my English is bad. But that's not the truth. The real problem is simple. Your ears were never trained properly. Let me tell you about someone named Alex. Alex studied English for 5 years. He knew grammar. He knew vocabulary. On paper, he looked like a strong student. But when people spoke to him in real life, he couldn't understand well, so he just smiled and nodded. Later, he said something very honest. When I read English, I understand. But when I hear it, it sounds like noise. Alex wasn't lazy. He wasn't stupid. He just trained his eyes more than his ears. Subtitles feel safe. They make you comfortable. But when subtitles are on, your brain chooses the easy way, reading, not listening. So you think you're practicing listening, but actually, you're practicing reading. Now, here's what you can do. First, listen to short English audio without subtitles. Don't pause too much. Don't translate every word. Just let the sound enter your ears. Second, listen again. This time, focus on the sound, the rhythm, the emotion, the way the voice moves. Third, listen one more time. After that, you can check subtitles if needed. Remember, your goal is not to understand everything. Your goal is to train your ears. Here's something important. Understanding comes after listening practice, not before. Your brain first learns sounds, then it connects them to meaning. This is exactly how children learn. You don't need hours every day. Even 10 minutes daily is enough if you stay consistent. After a few weeks, something amazing will happen. English will feel slower, clearer, more natural. So remember this. If English feels fast, it doesn't mean you are bad. It means you trained the wrong skill. Stop training only your eyes. Start training your ears. Because fluency doesn't begin with speaking. It begins with listening. Your listening skill will grow, and real fluency will slowly begin. Fluency does not start with perfect speaking. Fluency starts with strong listening. If this lesson helped you understand your listening problem in a new way, support the channel by liking this video, sharing it with other learners, and subscribing for more simple English lessons that help you improve step by step.